got the schoolyard rap. We're gonna start low. Schoolyard rap, schoolyard rap, schoolyard rap, schoolyard rap. Schoolyard, 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 schoolyard. Schoolyard rap is like a mini version of a concert, but on the educational side is more of teaching Black and brown history through music.
Everybody don't know history, everybody don't know culture, everybody don't know where they come from and their lineage, but to give them knowledge, it's like, oh, I can hold on to that. And go home and be like, Mom, do you know?
You wanna watch the news on your TV? A Mexican help make that club street. All these things were invented by Latinos.
Being Latino, I want to be able to show the kids that look like me that there are other routes, right, to working and pursuing your passions and your dreams, rather than just stereotypical stuff that we're accustomed to hearing and doing.
Mrs. Fisher, I teach first grade. It was amazing. I told the kids afterwards I could start every day like that with that energy, that positivity. I came out feeling good. We do affirmations every day in class, and so it was really powerful for them to see that at the assembly and for all the kids to just enjoy that boost of energy at the start of the day, and they came in really excited. Yeah.
Soy astaboroso.
What does that mean?
It means I am amazing.
I learned to speak Spanish. Like I like it because we can dance.
I think they got a lot of positive affirmations. And one of the things we do is we send the kids off with positive affirmations. So it was really good to see that, to be able to show them, see, this is why we do this every day, so that you can start saying it to yourself.
Extra cool because me personally, I'm Chicana myself. So there's a lot about my culture that I don't know about. So this taught me so much, and then I get to pass it along to other kids who don't know it as well. So, and adults, yeah.
It's definitely fulfilling. It has a fulfilling aspect to it. Personally, I like the idea of bringing new information to not only the students, but also the staff as well. And because I remember for myself, I didn't hear any of this when I was going to school. So for me to actually be able to supply this to other schools and give them something that I didn't get a chance to receive, that's the fulfilling part of it. Thank you for having us. Schoolyard Rap.